Hello everyone and welcome to my channel From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of these delicious Lucknowi Hara Bhara Kababs. These are made without potatoes or green peas. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. So first take 1 cup of pre-soaked chana dal and add 1 cup of water. Bring it to boil. Then add 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger, 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, 4 chopped green chillies, 4 cloves, half teaspoon of black pepper powder and boil till the chana dal is 80% cooked. Add 1 teaspoon of desi ghee to it. The water has reduced and our chana dal is perfectly cooked now. Allow it to cool down and then add the dal to the blender jar. Add salt according to taste and blend till it's smooth. Keep it aside. Take 1 liter of water in a pan and add 1.5 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of cooking soda. Bring it to boil and then add 2 bunches of spinach. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes till it is perfectly blanched. Transfer it quickly to chilled water. This step is necessary to stop the overcooking of the spinach. Squeeze excess water and add the spinach to blender jar. Blend to make puree. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan and then add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. After it splutters, add the spinach puree. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. And then add the prepared dal paste. Mix well to combine both. Cook the mixture till it separates from the pan. Add 3 tablespoons of besan or gram flour and mix well. Besan is necessary for binding. Then add chopped dry fruits. I have used cashews and raisins. Our kebab mixture is ready now. Transfer to a plate and allow it to cool down. Take a small portion in greased palms and give the desired shape. Add a cashew on top and prepare all the kebabs like this. Heat 1 tablespoon of ghee on a tawa and place the kebabs one by one. Shallow fry the kebabs and cook. Flip and cook them from both sides. Our kebabs are perfectly brown and ready now. These beautiful Hara Bhara Kababs are amazing and delicious. These are just melting in mouth. Do try out this recipe yourselves and enjoy. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.